this one is another 2016 Les Paul. This says 50s tribute. So this looks like a Goldtop, still $8.99. Maple top, mahogany body, mahogany neck, rosewood fingerboard. 490R and 498T. Humbucker pickups. This is sweet. So this is like a 50s era Goldtop sort of. It's again that kind of a soft sort of finish, not high gloss. Little again, it's this plastic actually there. Beautiful the way it's together. Again, Gibson Deluxe tuners. Nice, like these pickups. Let's take a listen how this sounds. Here's how that sounds between. Nice. Nice guitar. Gibson 50s for $8.99.